So what I'm working on today is a Hoppe or Hoppe door lock. And the complaint was that sometimes this door, when it was locked, you wouldn't be able to return the bolt either with the inside knob or the key on the outside. It turns out what happened was when the door was put together, the inner door pocket or latch pocket wasn't cut out, and this tab here, piece of wood, wasn't cut all the way out, and this is where the bolt was hitting. And I can't quite show you what's happening here. I can't demonstrate it and hold the key at the same time, but I'm going to simulate some resistance on this bolt hitting that piece of wood. So I'm turning the knob. It will go to a certain spot and then lock up. Let's see if I can get it to do it. And what happened was that pushed out. That piece of wood here was attached on the bottom, but not at the top, so it was acting like a spring. So when this bolt went all the way out, it was pushing on the wood. The bolt snapped back. Now this lock will not move. It is jammed in there. And I even tried putting the little release pin up in the slot to turn the knob, to no avail. The only way to fix this is to actually pull the bolt out so the notch lines up with the tang and return it. So once again, holding down on the bolt, turning the knob, it's coming out, and you see how that snapped back in? This is not locked. It is beyond the latch here. There's no way to get this out. The only way to do this is to, in this case what I did, pull the door, or if you had to, cut out in here on the trim, pull this bolt out, allow the tang to catch it and pull back in. Interesting one.